Divi Builder, how to make something mobile or tablet friendly so it appears. So if I'm just in my desktop here, you can see that this here is actually turned off from a visibility standpoint on tablet and phone. Let's just undo that. So if I come here on tablet and phone, you can see this is all off-centered. It does not look good. It's all messed up. So definitely does not want that. We don't want that to look the way that does. This is all messed up on mobile, it looks like here. So come in here on tablet, it's also messed up there. So on here, that looks good. So come in here. So now we're gonna go back to and go to advanced features, visibility, and we want it disabled on tablet and phone. And so now let's say we want something. You can see here I already have this. So instead of copying this, because it will throw you all kinds of issues if you typically copy it, what you do is just come in here, create a whole new, this you're going to do regular. Because it's mobile, you'll just want to do this here. You go to the text feature. We just want this text here. So if I just copy this text here, make that paragraph. I copy this text here. I make this, come on. I make this then, well, that didn't copy what I wanted, but copy that. Hit schedule. We'll definitely want to make this like a header 3 font. I want to make that bold. Hit enter here, paragraph, make that all go to center. Then I want to copy this feature here. Right, so I copy this feature, put that in there. Also, I want this to be centered. So do that. The design, the text itself, I want it to be black. So make sure we got that. So you can see here, it's right down here. And I want to add a button, just like we have over here. So now I can just click that, come back in here, copy this text here, come down here, boom, copy that, go to design. I want it centered. All right, sweet. If I want to fix the alignment here. And now I come into this feature, and like I show, I want the visibility. I don't want it to show on desktop, but I want it to show on phone and tablet. So just like I did this, I also want to fix the background. So come in the background. I have already a background I like using, so I just go to recent, hit check, and then you can see this is the same as this. And now if I go to the tablet view, it's going to look like this. And you can see both of them now because I've edited both of them. But now it shows that. It doesn't show this. That is blocked out. But now that is all fixed. Obviously, I got to fix that image, but I'll show. I just want to show you how to do it like that. And now on the tablet and the phone or the mobile version is also looking good. You can see obviously the things hidden that don't look good. These things look fine, but this schedule consultation looks good. The one that's hidden doesn't look good because it's not showing. It only shows on desktop, right? And so if I go to desktop, then now obviously this one looks good. And these are hidden on desktop, but we're going to just delete this one because I have it in here twice. And that's how you fix the mobile and desktop. And you can see how it's overlapping here, but this is hidden on desktop. But on tablet, you can see that it comes in just fine. On mobile, again, it comes in just fine as well. And if I want to like change it to just a consultation, schedule a consultation, I want to make sure that's centered, right? That's centered. This is centered. I want to make sure that font, again, is black so it stands out. And then if I want to go to the button, if I want to fix the button, go to custom styling, I can do that. So that's styled there. Background, do I want it that color? Do I want it transparent like it is now? The border, all those things. So the text font, maybe you want that black too. So, or maybe white. Nope, black. Let's just keep it black for mobile. So there you go. So I did that, hit save, and now that's how I can make it appear more mobile and desktop friendly. You obviously, like I said, have to make it invisible or visible on the area you want and hit it on the other. So then you make adjustments for the mobile stuff as well as you make adjustments for the desktop. Hopefully this was helpful, and it's that quick and easy using Divi Builder. All right, thank you.